Hey guys, it's Chelsea Crockett, otherwise known as Beautylicious Insider here on YouTube. Today, welcome to my show called 17 Before 17, where I am going to show you guys 17 big and small things that I'm going to do before I turn 17. So come along with me as we check off different things off my list. Hopefully I can inspire you guys to step out of your comfort zone and yeah, just stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to 17 Before 17. Today is a very special day because I've actually been waiting to get my license, and now that I'm finally 16, since March, I've had to wait a while because in Illinois it's 9 months before you can get your license, since you have to go through the whole permit thing. I'm super excited, can't wait to check this off the list with you guys, and let's go. Guys, I finally got my license. I'm excited to finally drive by myself, so now that I can, let's do this. I am looking around at different cars today. I have already searched a lot in the past, probably a few weeks, and I think I have an idea of the type of car that I want. I might be getting it today, so I'm super excited. Thinking more of a red. That's the type of car I kind of think would fit me best because I like flashy. I think I finally found the one. I'm really excited to show you guys her. I don't know what to name her. Leave in the comments down below if you guys want to name my car. My first car. Let's see it.
Go ahead and sign here and take the car home. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.